Did you know that your Hyundai Palisade has a rear camera cleaning system? It can quickly clear dust and particles from the rear cameras to help increase visibility. It works in conjunction with the rear wiper washer system. Simply press and hold the wiper control stalk toward the instrument cluster to operate the washer. The system will spray on the wide rear camera as well as the digital center mirror camera. Release the control stalk to stop spraying. If debris remains, use a soft cloth or a cotton swab moistened with water. For more information on your Hyundai, be sure to consult your owner's manual, available at My Hyundai, or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. And be sure to visit HyundaiHowTos.com, My Hyundai, and the Hyundai USA YouTube channel for more helpful videos for your Hyundai.